This is the Fitbit Charge 6, and this is the LIGE military smartwatch. So let's compare both smartwatches. The Fitbit Charge 6 has a slim display that doesn't look too overwhelming on the wrist when worn and has a nice design. The LIGE military smartwatch has a nice professional design with numbers on the edge of the design from 5 upwards to 60. The Fitbit Charge 6 comes with a lot of health and sleep related tracking features. One of the main features that I'm a huge fan of is how water resistant it is, with it being resistant upwards to 50 meters. Regarding the features of the LIGE military smartwatch, you get 2 dials on the right hand side of the smartwatch, and you also get traditional features like the time and date to more specific details like fitness related tracking. The Fitbit Charge 6 has a silicone strap for the smartwatch, which is great if you're wanting to find a smartwatch that is designed for both comfortability and flexibility with any size of wrist. The LIGE military smartwatch has the option of 2 straps, a stainless steel and a silicone one. The silicone one is extremely comfortable to wear, and it also has the extra benefit of flexibility, which ensures it can fit around any size of wrist. The Fitbit Charge 6 is a fantastic health smartwatch, particularly if you're looking for a smartwatch for water-related activities, thanks to its water resistance being very decent. While the LIGE military smartwatch is a great smartwatch thanks to its support for a huge variety of activities, which helps accurately record how long you did your exercise while also showing off other helpful and key information like the calories you've burnt and the steps you've taken.